General Secretary ke BJP Meghalaya ba wankit bok pochna ha bakali halor ke jingkynthoh jong President ka Bharatiya Janata Party Youth Wing Meghalaya ba mewakir lengdo pakma hakpor bayaki ke CJP ha Janta Manta Delhi ulakan taj ban jubab ba pochna ulong ba umtip ayai halor kani mad ukarman bakinong alam kaseng keladep ban kren halor kani kaman ulong ruba umla ban pek yakakam jong kiwei Shu ba pochna ulong ru ba kum kaseng san pertei kide ban long ki ba husiar bat kentui ki nongelam ban pek perman ni kiren san social media jongki ka ba ki banan kam man lak nek jing shakta ya kaseng bro kawai.
And I think so the matter has also gone to the court, so I will not deliberate much on it. Those who had apprehensions about the way the administration worked, they have gone to the court. I think the matter is there. Let's not discuss about it. Let us discuss why the parliament is not functioning, because of the hypocrisy of the Congress party.
Let us also discuss what action you have taken about the youth leader who said, should the protesters...
See, frankly speaking, I'm not aware of the entire situation, and I'm sure the party must have made certain stands at that point of time. I do not wish to talk more on that. Because I do not see, basically, I do not see.
The person is here.
Is it not the irony that you don't know what has happened in Shillong and you know what has happened in Delhi?
See, what's there on personal accounts of people, I cannot go and monitor, right? So I am not aware and I do not wish to speak anything, but I'm sure the party must have made a statement, so let's stick to that.
The person is already here. You can request him.
I do not budge, I don't want to budge onto his personal stuff, so let's...
It's not personal, it's a press conference. We are all here.
See, that's what only I do not know.
But Mr. Vivek, if you would like to say since you have the media in front
I think so. That's it. Let's not.
No, he can feel free to speak since.
Let him do on a personal note, and let's not make it. You can do it other time.
Okay.
Let's not.
If you want him to speak separately.
Yeah, separately, other time, not as of today. I request you because the parliament has to function. Let us concentrate that. Never cares. Personal post which I have not seen, I do not want to comment on that, but right now what is most important is the parliament to function. Let us concentrate on that because the country needs to debate on major issues. This is a small issue.
Will the party going forward now ensure that nobody tends to post something that will ruin the party itself?
Yeah, naturally, actually as political leaders we should be diligent enough of what we do in our day-to-day lives. And we request anybody who's holding important position to kindly monitor their personal account, because nowadays personal accounts can be hacked. Just the other day we got another complaint by one of our state vice president, again account was hacked. So these kind of issues.
For how many minutes the accounts gets hacked?
See, I cannot see. When a mobile gets compromised in any way, so
okay,
I cannot.
How many seconds the account gets hacked?
Why no FIR was filed?
See, I don't know how do social media platforms work. I see that we have a medium of complaining to the platform, so I think so. That
For how many seconds the accounts get hacked?
How my account has not been hacked, and if my account is hacked, I take.
Why does that post get deleted?
That I don't see. I'm telling you, I'm not privy to anything what you're speaking. That has happened at a time when maybe I was not available. I'm not aware. I was more concentrating at the Jantan Mantar incident. So what has happened locally? So we are not aware.
So
and I'm not there to follow anybody's.
BJP
See, we have so many members of the party. I don't have time to follow everybody's personal account, right? So let's keep this aside. Let's keep the chief important agenda now at the front. Our parliament has to function, and it has to function in the right way, in a pure democratic way. And we please, through your medium, we want to request to the Congress that do not just go to the streets. Allow the parliament to function and debate there. Our Home Minister, our Honorable Home Minister is willing to answer to all the questions, the queries that the Congress party has. So we request Rahul Gandhi ji to kindly please face our Honorable Home Minister in the floor of the House. Thank you so much. Thank you for